Create a table of transactions with quantity shipped as negative using Power BI with the following data fields: INV NBR invoice number, INV date, exchange rate, SO type, ORD NBR order number, order date, PROM date, customer ID, name customer, customer class ID, CUS class description, SIS per ID, market code, ship state, INV ID, investor description, key ship, CAT prefix, curry cost, curry sales price, curry list price, disk percent, curry total cost, curry to INV, curry ID, per family, CPPR class sub, primary vendid, alternate ID, CPI promise date, CPI revised date, initial list price, curry to miscellaneous, curry to FRT INV, curry to merch, curry balance due, key ORD, cust ORD number, sales and inner.